What's up guys, thanks for checking out this new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Ghost by Justin Bieber on the acoustic guitar. It's a really nice song to play, all in the first position as well. You're going to need to know 4 chords, and those are B minor, G, D and A, and that's for the majority of the song for the chorus section. We're going to break it down, we're going to zoom in and see how we play this, and I'll break down how we play the chords and the strumming patterns. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing by using the subscribe button below, and if this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up and comment section below. I answer any questions that you may have. Right, let's dive in and see how we play this song. So here we are zoomed into the neck of the guitar and our sound hole. For this I'm using a plectrum, but you can, if you want to, use your fingers if you don't have access to a plectrum, if you don't have one, or if you feel more comfortable using your fingers, that's absolutely fine. You can strum with your thumb or your index finger. All in standard tuning, so E, B, G, D, A and E. Make sure that your guitar is in tune to perfect E, and we're not going to use a capo for this, so all open string, no need for capo on that fret. The first chord is our B minor, our second chord is our G major, third chord is a D major, and our last chord, the fourth chord, is an A major. Now we'll start with the trickiest one of them all, which is our B minor. And we play B minor by putting our first finger across all 6 strings on the second fret, so barring that. We're putting our second finger on the second string of the 3rd fret. We're putting our third finger on the 4th string of the 4th fret, and then our pinky finger is going on the 3rd string of the 4th fret, tucked under your 3rd finger. You're going to strum from string number 5 down. And if it's not ringing out quite as well as this that you can hear, probably because you haven't got your fingers in the middle of the fret, or you're not pressing hard enough. Look at the chord chart and follow the chord chart as well on the screen. They are also below in the description as well if you need them for reference. So we're going to strum from string number 5 down. That's our first chord. And what I'm doing there is a down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Okay? Master the chords first. Don't worry about the strumming just yet. You can just play it straight. And then we're going to play our G major, which is our next chord. So we've got first finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, second finger 3rd fret of the 6th string. Then we're going to stick our 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Second string of the 3rd fret. And then we've got our pinky finger tucked on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and we're going to play all 6 strings together. And it should sound like that. So we've got third chord is our D major. We play our D major by putting our first finger 2nd fret, 3rd string, second finger 2nd fret, 1st string, third finger 3rd fret, 2nd string. And we're going to pluck from D major down, so the D down for our major chord. And then after that D major, we move to our final chord, which is the A major. So A major is the one that we finish on. So our A major is first finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, second finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, third finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string, and we're going to strum from string number 5 down. Again, look at the charts, follow your charts. So it should sound like this. Start adding some rhythm in. So we're going to start using our right hand to add some rhythm into those strumming patterns. play along with the song as well, because it really helps, particularly with somebody that can actually sing. So again, just loosen up that wrist. You can add your own little style in if you want, so you can have palm mute. So I'm just going, there's a bit of a pause there. Or you can put your plectrum down and finger pick it. Or if you want, just playing it straight. But the more familiar you get with those chords and the transition between the chords, the better it is going to sound. Play along with the track, and if you've got any questions, please put them in the comment section below and answer any questions that you may have. Tab and chord charts are in the description below. Click on those and check it out. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you next time for another Chord Basher guitar tutorial.